Alright guys, this is the GoPro Hero 13 starter kit. This is one of the newer GoPros they have out, and it is pretty expensive. It goes around $400, but it is worth it whenever you see what's inside. So the overall box is really nice. It has a zipper in the back, and when you open it up, just like this, inside the box, we have a little area for the manuals and whatever you want to put there. And if you do want to learn how to update your camera, because you have to update the camera before using it, so whenever you do want to update it, I got a video that shows how to do that and how to use the GoPro Quick app with it. So we have the GoPro battery charger, which can only charge 2 GoPro batteries, and it can only charge the GoPro Hero 13 battery. There's no other batteries it can charge except these two. It's got a nice C port in the back, so whenever you want to hook up the wires to it to charge it, and then plug that into wherever you can put it, which is going to be really nice. It also has the little accessories that you can hook up to a helmet or car or wherever you want to put it, which is going to be really nice. You slide that in there and then you can hook this up to your GoPro. It's got 2 wires so you can charge the GoPro, and you can also charge the extra batteries you have at the same time. So the GoPro itself is really nice. It's got the little things down here so you can open it up and use it. It's also got the little screw when you want to screw something in, or the magnetic. Right here is where you can open it up, and there's a battery inside it, the charger, and an SD card. It did come with an SD card, and I already put it inside here. It's one of those micro SD cards because that's what the GoPro needs, which is going to be really nice. I already got the GoPro pretty much updated and formatted, so it'll be already done when I turn it on. It doesn't come with it, but you can change the lenses on this GoPro to have different lenses. It's got the power button and the record button, and over here is the big screen, so whenever you click the power button, there's a little light that'll light up, which is going to be really nice. The overall GoPro does not have the little blue specks that the Hero 12 had, which is kind of nice because I was getting kind of annoyed with that because it just kind of got in the way of the look. It comes with a built-in mic, so you don't have to hook one up, but it isn't the best, so if you want a better mic, you can get the GoPro microphone, or you can just get something else to hook up to it. So when we turn this on, we are going to click the on button, and it'll power on to where you can see everything, which is going to be really nice. And if it does turn on, it'll show the screen for a minute, and then it'll say you have to format it and get it all set up. So then you do that in this video I have up on the top of the screen, which you can learn how to do that. But the overall screen is really good because it looks just like the Hero 12 and the Hero 11. You have to turn like this to go to photos, video, and you can do time lapse, which is going to be really nice. It's got everything set where the settings are. If your screen does look a little bit different, you can slide up to the top and go over here and change this to Pro Controls. Also up here, it has preferences, pair device. You can do some stuff up here too to help learn to get it all set for you, which is going to be really nice. This GoPro kit is already really good, but if you need more accessories, GoPro makes a Hero 13 case, which I have right here, which is really nice. It's the better quality. If you get the ones that are only like 20 bucks, they break easily because I had one and it just completely broke. It's got a lock up here, and then you have the little buttons that you can click. It's got the hookup down here for when you want to hook it up. It's got 2 backings on it, so whenever you want to use this one to keep it completely like sealed, or you can use this one so then you can still touch the screen whenever you need it, which is really nice. I'll have a link in the description for that accessory. So now we're going to go outside and video with it to see if the 4K 30 frames per second is going to be really nice and see if the audio is good. Alright guys, I am testing the GoPro Hero 13 on this really nice sunny day. The overall resolution does look really good. Like, I'm looking at the screen right now and it looks amazing. The audio should sound pretty good too. It has this wind thing, so whenever it's really windy outside, you can turn that on and it'll take the wind away. It's amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video on the GoPro Hero 13 starter kit. If you have any questions, please comment down below and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.